Hey, welcome back to another video from BMR Parts and Marine out of Burnsville, Minnesota, up in the Antarctic, seems like lately, but hey, welcome back. Hope you all had a Happy New Year and a Merry Christmas and all that stuff. But for today we have for sale a 2004 90-horse Yamaha tiller. Could be turned into remote, but right now it's set up for tiller. It is a 04, it's a 20-inch. Compression was 190 on all cylinders. Lower unit pressure tested good. Comes with the prop. New plugs, new impeller, new oil filter, new fuel filter, new lower unit lube, and new power head oil. Clean the carburetors. Nice motor. Great running engine. Let's run it up here for you. It's been a while. We were on a little vacation. Pumping good water. Then you have your tensioner up here, which loosens it, or you can tighten it up, gives you a little more tension. Trim and tilt. You also have it up here on the handle. Nice clean Minnesota motor. Nothing like getting your feet wet when it's 20 degrees outside. Neutral. Got a kill here, or you can just turn it off by the key. Great running motor. If you're interested in it, give us a call at 952-894-4888, or you can email sales@bmr1.com. If you call, ask for James Jr. Thank you. Have a great day.